Audio Jungle.
కేబీఆర్ న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం.
Good evening to all. Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri N. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, dignitaries on the dais, and also the esteemed staff, teaching and non-teaching, distinguished guests, dear parents, and our vibrant students. It is a privilege to welcome you all to the annual day celebration of NTR Trust College, a day on which we celebrate achievements, honor efforts, and look forward to the future with a renewed hope. NTR Memorial Trust continues to advance the vision of Sri Nandamuri Taraka Rama Rao Garu, the timeless principles that human service is the divine service. His ideals remain our guiding light, shaping every initiative and every act of service that we undertake. In healthcare, we serve communities through our blood banks, the Thalassemia Care Centers, and the NTR Sanjeevani Free Clinics. These initiatives ensure that timely medical care, life-saving blood, and essential medicines reach those who need them the most. In education, we offer free education to the underprivileged children, supporting deserving students through scholarships, providing purely merit-based opportunities. Through Excel Civils Academy, we train aspirants to excel in UPS examinations and serve the nation with integrity. In disaster management, the NTR Trust is always first to arrive and the last to leave. We stand with the people during the most difficult times and work tirelessly until normalcy is restored. We empower individuals with skill development programs, enabling them to build suitable livelihoods and secure their futures. Through Stree Shakti, we uplift women by helping them build confidence, acquire skills, and achieve economic independence. Under NTR Sujala, we ensure access to safe drinking water, which every family we uplift with, especially in remote and underserved areas. Every life we touch, every student we support, every family we uplift, all of this is a living tribute to the ideals of NTR Garu. Our journey continues, and let us move forward together with compassion in our hearts and commitment in our actions. A year like the one we have just completed has been a year of growth, innovation, and resilience. Our students excelled across academies, sports, research, technology, arts, and community service. This year, we strengthened new academic and skill enhancement programs. If a college is a garden of each student is a unique flower. Some bloom with knowledge, some with creativity, some with leadership. All our teachers are the gardeners who nurtures these blossoms. To our teachers, thank you for shaping not just careers, but characters. Your patience, education, and selective blindness in the last bench contribute more to the nation building than you admit. To the parents, your support, trust form the foundation